I've got a Mercedes C200 here on a 2009-2010 plate. Just doing a tyre pressure reset, but before I do that, I'm going to show you the tyre size on this. So this is 1956016. It's just a normal car tyre, and the tyre pressures are right here. So you've got 1956016, no load, only 3 people with bit luggage. So 32 psi or 2.2 bar in the front, 2.3 bar and 33 psi in the back. If you've got a full load, go for 2.4, 35 and 3 bar and 44 psi on the rear. Now to do it, it is quite simple, as well as not too simple, but we'll get it done. Now if I do this with the ignition, if I start the car up, I've already got the R menu on the tyre pressure, but I'm just going to show you where it was first. So if I press the R button, wait 1 second, only possible when the daytime running out, we're not doing that. So if I just start the car up, press this button right here, get it to that position there where you've got the mileage showing and the trip. So if I start her up, I then press this button, keep pressing it, keep pressing it, keep pressing it till I get to the tyre pressure. I then press that button right there. It says if you want to restart the pressure warning light, we'll do that. Press R again, and then all I do from here, I press yes, which is the plus, and the run flat indicator is restarted. Yeah, so yeah, that's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know with regards to Mercedes, we do have a playlist for Mercedes itself on our channel, as well as a tyre pressure reset playlist. We've got the bulbs, we've got the service as well. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.